Good morning students, welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 7, Mathematics, chapter number 4, Simple Equation. In this chapter, we have to learn about the equations. Okay, so we begin with introduction of this chapter. In this introduction, we have to start with what equation is. We take one example. What is equation? You can see that here 4x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 25. Okay, so here I use equality sign. Okay, so equality sign suggests that the left hand side, this is the left hand side. Okay, and right hand side, 6x minus 25 means right hand side and left hand side both are the equal. Okay, so the equality sign of left hand and right hand are equal. Okay, so this type of condition is known as equation. We take exercise number 4.1. we have to prove that this is the equation or not. Okay, so question number 1, complete the last column of the table. So in this table, first of all, that is serial number. We take first example. Here equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and value x is equal to 3. We have to prove that equation is satisfied or not. So this value is satisfied this equation or not, we have to find. Okay, so just put the value of x is equal to 3 here. So here 3 plus 3 is equal to 6, but here there is a 0. Okay, so this value is not satisfying this equation. Okay, so our answer is no, this value is not satisfying our equation. We take another example. X plus 3 is equal to 0 and the value of x is equal to 0. So put the value of 0 in this equation. So 0 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, that is 3. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, which is not satisfied our equation because here the answer is 0. Okay, so our answer is no. X plus 3 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3. So put the value of x is equal to minus 3 here. So minus 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 plus 3. 3 minus 3, that is a 0, which is satisfied our equation. Okay, so x is equal to minus 3, which is 0. So that is answer is yes. X minus 7 is equal to 1. Put the value of x is equal to 7 here. Okay, so we have to find that x is equal to y satisfied our equation or not. So 7 minus 7, I put just value of x is equal to 7 here from this. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0, that is not 1. Okay, so that is not satisfied our equation. And in homework, the 5th and 7th example. Okay, so try to solve that two examples by put these values. In next, 5x is equal to 25 and they give the value of x is equal to 0. We put the value of 0 here. 5 zeros are 0, but the answer is 25. So that is not satisfied our equation. Let's use x is equal to 5 in that equation. So put the value of x is equal to 5, which is 5 5s are 25. Okay, so 5 5s are 25, which is satisfied our equation. So answer is yes, that is satisfied. M is equal to 3. So m upon 3 is equal to 2. Put the value of m is equal to 0. So 0 upon 2 is equal to 0, but the answer is 2. Okay, so 0 upon 2 is equal to 0, but the answer is 2, which is not satisfied our equation. Okay, after that m is equal to 3, m upon 3 is equal to 2. Put the value of m is equal to 6 here. So 6 upon 3, that is 2. Okay, yes, this value is satisfying our equation. Okay, question number 2, check whether the value given in the bracket is a solution to given or not. So we take first example, n plus 5 is equal to 19. Put the value of n is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 plus 5, that is a 6. Okay, so left hand side not equal to right hand side. Here 1 plus 5, that is a 19. So n is equal to 1, not the solution of the given equation. Okay, take next, 7n plus 5 is equal to 19. We have to put the value of n is equal to minus 2 and check it out that satisfied or not. Okay, so put the value of n is equal to minus 2 here in the left hand side. So 7 minus 2 plus 5, 7 into minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 7 2s are minus 14 plus 5, minus 14 plus 5, that is minus 9. So left hand side not equal to right hand side. Here left hand side is minus 2, but right hand side is not 19. Okay, if that are both are same, then the equation is satisfied our conditions. So n minus 2 is not the solution of the given equation. The 7n plus 5 is equal to 19, that is in homework. So n is equal to 2. 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So put the value of p is equal to 1 here. So p is equal to 1. Put the value p is equal to 1 in the LHS. Okay, so I just put the value p is equal to 0 1 here. 4 1s are 4, minus 3, that is 1, but that is not 13. So left hand side not equal to right hand side. So p is equal to 1 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, for p minus 3, that is 13, and p is equal to minus 4. I just put the value of p is equal to minus 4 here. Okay, so 4 4s are 16, minus 3, that is not minus 19. So this is not satisfied the equation. Then the 4p minus 3 is equal to 13. So p is equal to 0 here. Put the value of p is equal to 0 in the left hand side. So 4 into 0 minus 3, that is 4 0 0, 0 minus 3, that is minus 3 here. So left hand side is minus 3 here, but our right hand side is equal to minus 13. So put the p is equal to 0, not the solution of the given equation. In this way we can find the solution of that equation. So in this lecture we learn about the solutions and their property and how can find the solution of that equation. Okay, so and homework, do the 7n plus 5 is equal to 90 and satisfy and check it out that n is equal to 2 is satisfied this equation or not. Another homework is question number 5 and question number 7. That is a homework given to you. Okay, so try it and focus on this condition. What is equation? So an equation, you have to know that a left hand side, right hand side and equality sign here. Okay, thank you so much.